Hello, my name is Jordan Gray. I'll start this presentation off with a little bit about me and then give you some overview of what I've done in the ECSE field as well as in the power field. So a little bit about me is first, I'm a transfer student from community college in Westchester. Westchester is a community college in Lower New York. There, I earned a 2-year degree in engineering science, and then I moved to RPI to pursue a bachelor's and master's in EE. Next fall is going to be my last semester in co-term. Hopefully I'll finish all the projects I started in my undergrad, and hopefully I can move on to either do industry work or go for a PhD. Besides just doing my master's in research, I'm also RA and RD for residence life. So I've been doing sophomore housing for most of my time here at RPI. So I've connected with kind of younger students. I've also met a lot of EEs that I've helped with TAing and stuff like that, as well as being a residence assistant and resident director. So some experience I've had with research. My research has been mainly focused with Professor Von Freddy. I've helped him kind of revamp his software development toolkit. This toolkit allows for um, parsing synchronized power data in LabVIEW. Uh, the main focus has been helping other researchers use the data that they've collected from other power simulators and our power power providers have given to them in order to use it to recreate the data. This toolkit, in addition with the power simulator I helped him revamp, is able to replay the power data that has been provided by them. The power simulator and the toolkit can be used in conjunction with other applications to replay that data and use it for other applications. And the entire project has been used to help other researchers. So it's all been open sourced and all been used in GitHub. And the main idea of this is to have it available for other people to advance the power field. And by being in this research field, I've not only understood more about power, but also see how other researchers around the world are kind of using it. One of the big things we've done is helped a company in India with their power projections. And they've even used this work in their presentations for a more renewable future. In addition to that, I've also done some hardware applications. Recently, last summer, I helped him create a portable power relay. This is kind of the hardware portion to what I did previously. This relay was composed of Switzer engineering laboratory devices that was donated from Dominion Energy, a power provider in Virginia. And the intent was to show how actual devices used in industry react to different signals, including the trips that can go on in actual relays, as well as the normal processes that continually go on. And for this project, I had to connect each device and configure each initial settings. This kind of showed me the more hands-on aspect that I was kind of missing from my first experience. And so in conjunction with these 2 summers, I've kind of like grown and seen the kind of range that this kind of field can give me. And kind of like lastly is I'm doing an internship experience to give me some industry experience. I'm working with General Motors this summer to kind of monitor their energy uses for a trip that their electric vehicles have. This is to give me some industry experience before I, either leave or keep going on with my education. And hopefully, I can use this to kind of decide where I want to go with my next steps in life. But thankfully, also this hasn't been canceled, and I'm going to Michigan to work on their electric vehicles and get more hands-on experience. And lastly, I want to say thank you to the committee for selecting me again. Thank you to Luigi for being kind of my advisor for this entire thing. And yep, that's basically it for me.